So there's a picture of all of them right there. This is the complete set.
Oh, so that's actually all 6 of those.
That's all 6 of them. Yeah.
Oh, very cool.
I didn't realize that until just now. Hey, Mountain Man League, stop cussing in my chat.
He spelled Roll Tide wrong.
Anybody want a 2020 F-150? They're giving them away here at Lonnie Cobb. They got them lined up. Any color you want, as long as it's white, black, gray, blue, or red. Guess these people don't like yellow. In fact, the entire parking lot is curiously devoid of certain colors. The only maroon car is the customers. Either way, if you like white, silver, gray, black, or red, or a couple choices in blue, you are welcome to come down here and look at them. That's what I've been doing for the past 40 minutes. And they said they are just about ready to work on my vehicle. Well, my appointment is at 10 o'clock. It's 10:40. And they're still working on the guys that came in first.
Maybe they knew what they were doing.
You should probably stop digging for answers.
What?
There's no winning this for you.
If they had just told me that they wanted me to leave it, I could have left it, rode home with somebody else, and come back and got it later. All this hanging around at a Ford dealership is... Well, I don't think it's supposed to do that. Anyway, yeah, it's kind of annoying. They don't even have any, like, crazy Mustangs or anything to look at. They just have regular cars, because we're in Tennessee and that's what people buy. Regular cars. Alright, well, I'm sure you've heard enough from me. Well, 2.5 hours later, we are ready to roll out of Lonnie Cobb.
Join us. No way!